Shakti, and exploration through the Tantra literature. Within Hinduism, there are two different traditions, that is Shaiva and Shakta. Shiva to be the embodiment of divine masculinity and the cosmic energy Shakti, which they believe is in charge of creation, preservation and destruction. And the Shakta tradition stresses the feminine component of the divine and centers around the worship of the goddesses, also known as Devi or Shakti. In my paper, I briefly explain my topic is in two sections. First section is dealing with what are the main concepts of Shiva and Shakta, and what are the mantras related to Shiva and Shakta. Then what is the benefits of chanting Shiva and Shakta mantras, and how to chant Shiva and Shakta mantras. These are explained in first section in my paper. Then second section is explained about the Shiva and Shakta concepts in different tantric works like Sharada Tilaga, Mantra Mahodadi, Shat Chakra Nirubana and Shakta Ananda Tarangini. Concept of Shiva. In Tantra literature, Shiva is a central deity representing the male aspect of divine energy, often associated with destruction and transformation. The concept of Shiva in Tantra goes beyond the conventional understanding, delves into the metaphysical and spiritual realms. There are Shiva as a supreme consciousness, Shiva Shakti union, destruction and transformation, yogic practices, 5 facts of Shiva, then Shiva Lingam symbolism, tantric rituals and mantras is closely related to the concept of Shiva. Then major mantras related to the Lord Shiva, Panchakshari Shiva mantra, Om Namah Shivaya. The meaning of this mantra is the performer is bowing to Shiva. Shiva here is the supreme reality or the inner self. So chanting this mantra is to provide and pray for their inner self. Those who are trying to build their confidence and make a name of themselves should chant the Panchakshari Shiva mantra. Chanting this mantra increases inner potential and strength. If someone is feeling unsafe about their surroundings and is seeking protection, chanting this mantra will give them the feeling of safety. The person will be surrounded by positive energy. Like that Mahamrityunjaya mantra, Shiva Rudra mantra, Shiva Gayatri mantra, Shiva Dhyana mantra, Egadasha Rudra mantra. These all are closely related to the so many mantras in Shiva concept. Then concept of Shakti. Shakti is the infinite feminine dynamic strength, the primal holy celestial spirit as a notion or abdomen. It is said to depict the dynamic and strong forces that move across all of existence. Then Shakti mantra is closely related to the two mantras, that is Adi Shakti mantra and Sarvabandha Mukti mantra. Then second section I will briefly explain the tantric works, how to faces the Shiva and the Shakti concepts. The Sharada Tilaga says Satchidananda Vibhavat Shagalat Parameshwarat Asit Shaktistado Nadat Bindu Samudbhavaha. From Parameshwara vested with the wealth of Satchidananda and with Prakriti, Shagala issued Shakti. From Shakti came Nada and from Nada was born Bindu. Then Sharada Tilaga is arranged in 4 padas. In the context of the Shiva Shakti concept, it elucidates its inseparable relationship between Lord Shiva and Shakti, emphasizing their essential unity. According to this concept, Shiva represents the transcendent formless aspect of the divine, while Shakti is the dynamic. Then Mantra Mahodadi, then Shatchakra Nirubana, Shaktananda Tarangani. These are the other major tantric texts closely related to the Shiva and the Shakta concepts. In Mantra Mahodadi, the concept of Shiva and Shakti rooted in Hindu philosophy, particularly within the context of Tantra. In this text, Shiva represents the masculine principle, often associated with the consciousness, while Shakti embodies the feminine aspect, symbolizing cosmic energy and creative power. The interplay between Shiva and Shakti is central to many tantric practices, emphasizing the union of these polarities and attain spiritual awakening. Then Shatchakra Nirupana explained the concept of Shiva and Shakti in the tantric text revolves around the idea of divine cosmic energy. Shiva represents the masculine principle often associated with the pure consciousness, while Shakti embodies the feminine aspect symbolizing dynamic creative energy. Then the tantric concept also dealing with the different kinds of puja vidhis in both Shiva and Shakti. Puja vidhis of Shiva is a purification began by purifying yourself through a short cleaning ritual. Then prana pradishta, infuse life into the idol or image. Then puja vidhis of Shakti, Sudhi, Dhyana, Avahana, Naivedya, Japa, Stotra. These kinds are closely related to the Shakti puja vidhis. Then I am concluding my words. The Shiva Shakti concept often emphasizes the inseparable union of masculine and feminine energies representing the cosmic interplay of creation and destruction. This divine union is seen as the ultimate reality, transiting dualities and leading to spiritual enlightenment. This paper explores the undergoes the transformative power of embracing Shiva and Shakti aspects, recognize their harmony as the path of superiority and self-realization. Thank you.